In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in PayPal. Let's get started with the first step. Open a browser and search for PayPal. You can use any web browser that you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type in PayPal in the search bar and hit enter. This action will direct you to the search results. Pay attention to the links that appear, as you want to ensure you are selecting the official PayPal website. This step is crucial because accessing the official site helps protect your account from phishing attempts and ensures you are on a secure platform. Next up, click the correct link and log in if prompted. You should see the official PayPal website link, typically at the top of the search results. Click on it to be redirected to the PayPal homepage. If you are not logged into your account, it will prompt you for your login credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This is an essential step because only authorized users can make changes to their account settings, including your password. After logging in, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. On the home page, look for a small gear icon. This icon represents the Settings menu. Clicking this will take you to your account settings page, which is where you can manage various aspects of your PayPal account. This step is important because it leads you to the section where you can change your password, among other settings. From there, select the Security tab at the top of the Settings page. You will see several tabs on the Settings page, such as Account, Security, Notifications, and more. Click on the Security tab. This tab focuses on keeping your account secure, which is why you need to access it for changing your password. Having a secure password is vital for protecting your financial information from unauthorized access. Now, click the Update link located right next to the password row. In the Security section, you will find various security options. Look for the row labeled Password and find the Update link next to it. Clicking this link will allow you to initiate the password change process. This step is significant because it directly leads you to the area where you can make updates to your password, ensuring your account remains secure. At this point, type in your current password to confirm your identity. A prompt will appear requesting your current password. Enter it carefully to verify that it is you making the change. This step is crucial for security reasons, as it prevents unauthorized users from changing your password without your permission. By confirming your identity, you help safeguard your account. Once you have confirmed your identity, enter your new password twice, ensuring it meets the security requirements, which typically include letters, numbers, and symbols. Take your time to create a strong password that you can remember. Typing it twice ensures that there are no typos. This is important because a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your account. Finally, click the Change Password button to finalize the update. After entering your new password, look for the button that says Change Password and click it. This action saves your new password and completes the process. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen indicating that your password has been successfully changed. This step is essential because it ensures that your new password is now active and ready for use. And that wraps up the process of changing your password in PayPal. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced the security of your account. Thank you for watching.